VTFM. Evento Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM. Ekamida Negachi.
Arunaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show on a beautiful, Monday morning.
All right.
We are back. Mando atu na matani singa but totoko tunan rakia na mataka denda in the 231 Wayman Road in the Korturang Suba. We say Arunaka and welcome to all the listeners, to all our friends who are tuning in this morning. Maybe in the bus going to work this morning. To all the students inside their school bus.
Right.
Na carrier, na minivan, na tolili bagito kay, na tolili ni kambani, na buli bito kanya, na buli mga ni borong buli bikina.
Ngori.
And buli binaka, mata binaka, na binaka dems.
And binaka atu, and binaka nga bikemni to all and everyone joining this morning. Thank you very much for the well done days. Sometimes you are there alone, nobody thanks you. Nobody acknowledge you of what you done.
Right.
But there is someone somewhere who is there who is thinking of you of what you do, even though it's very small, and your truthfulness.
Don't know what
Undi na tanay tabilalay ikong karaba, and nasa umibotu veiko.
Iksan mo taro sila mouth guard.
Sibera ba kandua?
Tumuli. Nguning ko na.
Ngunungunan ko na metasi kamay cuma nakakana. Yeah, ma ke if we do that in a way, ke baka mendo tunay to na mouth guard na ngunungunan ko na. Sengay. Endo tinasong ko vinak.
Hindi na sir. Hindi na. Beki na nakadrobito kanina na baka tambisi na matang likuwa. We say and to all the friends from overseas. Ngoli siguro nakataka kay Father Savex from Auckland, New Zealand. Handa binaka na baka tambisi ni kuwa. Kero biki dabag tala biki na lingre bingarabi. And ano tabi paling bola Debs? Era Sandra sampai tinggal makau tu nama tangni kuah.
Iya.
Tapi mama ni lima bayar sampai tinggal beso yanra. Oira na marama na tinanda. Oira na nganenda. Oira na bumbu. Oira tak tu lebih paling bola. Era nonton benua. Abo hospital na hotel di pulang isar benua.
Di Nasara.
Na buli nonton benua. Na waswasya loma. Na deva ni tangi KVT. Abo mimi bekem nendo kadaling ni bingarabi ni sampai cukup mai. Na hotel lah. Mai na ya saya sabagara. Ni sa mata binaka.
Right.
And mata kani singa mo ni binaka ni dai.
Well, good morning to all the van drivers, taxi drivers to Melna Levu, Bila Senia, Inia Dore Renga, Veresana Kuro. Good morning to you and the family this morning. Also to Tamaysay. Tamaysay, Rotabale Tamaysay from Tonia is joining from the van this morning. Thank you very much for your lovely services. To all the public drivers, to Momo Willie, thank you very much for joining this morning. And not forgetting everyone, not forgetting to Tabale Langi from Lolombu, and also to Tabale from Nandi, from Nabo, and also to Dreus. Thank you, Dreus Sikeli. And Tabale Amani for joining yesterday.
And we're going to Bureta Meme Tuomoto, and we're going to bully Anglo Allen Primary School. To some of Mayanganga. Mbua? Yanganga Mbua and Matakarikwa. In all of the photos I see yourself in, I haven't seen you wearing the Sulubatonga. Why is that?
No, I'm wearing Sulubatonga.
Okay, tell us what time you wear the Sulubatonga.
The last time I wear the Sulubatonga when I was in age of 5 years old.
So from 5 years old until now you haven't wear the Sulubatonga again? Because
that time you go to the hospital.
Okay, alright, I know that time.
Yeah. So now, only if a traditional ceremony, if I don't have my Sulu Bakatanga.
Oh, okay.
So I wear Sulu Bakatonga.
Okay, what's the dapat na puna iko sinindarkin na daba na kaya doterikin na Sulu Bakatonga.
Sulu Bakatonga is very easy to remove. First of all, and another one. It's very comfortable when wearing it.
Right.
It's like a traditional moment of life while drinking grog. Sometimes you want to select it. Because or eating. So when it's very hard. You can easily remove the select the sulbatanga.
The knot,
Yeah.
Okay. But what about sulbatanga?
Sulbatanga?
Yeah.
Sulbatanga is very good, but the only thing is, it's when you come to windy. Mengoni dangi. That's one, it's very roughly.
Pariko untuk mo tinambong yung tuwak sulbato. Sulban ikaw.
Orang ko baka multiple choice raw cancel. Sulbatonga, sulun rin ikaw may masa. May libunang ulit tangitan na loko-loko. Tua masta pena ma Mrs. Lepua. Tu masta pena ni Mrs. Lepua tawia o Ben Keitila na motokana JD 738 and ngole kuribul. This was my teacher when I was in class 4. This one Mrs. Lepua. And Master Pena, the time they are now in Bethel, in Lambasa. They are joining from JD 738 na ngole Kornibuli to Master Pena and Mrs. Lepua. Mbule bina kase, mbule bina talaga be madam o Tawia o Ben Keitila. They are joining now. They are full laughing because they know. Thank you very much, madam, for the lovely movement.
Okay, when is the first time you torture?
The cadet.
Oi!
Yeah, that's a cadet in Ratuluke.
Right?
Ratuluke Secondary School. So I was appointed to, not appointed, was volunteer to be a CSM at the time. So they told us if you want to, you have to follow the protocol. Ketika na beokan numuyamba kursubukan wangai toro
Right.
It's like that. But as gang, we ketu sangai I trim not toro.
Oi.
Iya.
But the wound is still there. Only the trim the branch.
Iya, the branch.
Okay, one another.
So we leave it trim nga, then we come for the cadet.
Right. Totoo po, siya bikin na kadar bito kadul bay. Nanti talon po mo sa talo takyo silang daragaw na bukun na kadar talita katsuyo meron rongo talita talongo.
Iya.
Ko membelaten to na fama may bukililian ko na nga. Batakina no nailabo sa bude no natanga.
Iya.
And ang lebu ni no nailabo.
Before we telling the story, I would like to say good morning to all the village of Tonge
Iyo.
from Ba for the birthday on Saturday. One birthday, one of my son, my sister-in-law,
Iyo.
Sister-in-law, the son, it's having their birthday. So the people from Tonge, they coming. This ba young boy.
Iyo.
Our son is from Tonge.
Right.
From Ba. So I would like to say good morning to Tai Soba.
Yeah.
Nona Ado Chuchina Soba for joining this morning, and also to the people from Tonge
Right.
in Ba for the well-done ceremony of the happy birthday on the Saturday night. Okay, this is a story about a fella who was a farmer and coming to Suba. One day he was there in the Suba province, in the Suba town.
Yeah.
So he was planning to buy some of his tools.
Yeah.
So when he was looking for the tools, he looking for the movement.
Yeah.
Kaya na bulihan ko na nung kukasan kaya pasamata ko na nabito siyak.
Right.
It will be harden his movement. Baka nandiyan na nabito siyak.
Yeah.
So the fella start to moving around and he saw a clubbing.
Yeah.
Ang karito konto na balintanis. Sa endola to ni singa. So he start to enter. Starting to enter sa feeling the feeling of drinking, he leave everything behind in the mind.
He wanted to be a drunken master.
He want to be a drunken master.
Yeah.
So he went. When he went inside the clubbing, you know, they are
Lights on off.
Yeah, on off.
Yeah.
So when the people are there, some of us as visitors, ninda bulangi in the nightclub.
Yeah.
Some people they are fully booked every day.
Yeah.
In the nightclub.
Right.
They know the situation, the
They know the new
ABC.
face.
They know the new face, they know the ABC, how to trap a man or a woman with money when they are in the club.
Right.
So he was there. He was buying.
Yeah.
When they are buying, and they saw them, these people, they are looking at them. Hey, kwango buy love.
Yeah.
So one of the girl, the beautiful girl, just coming. Hi.
Yeah.
How are you?
Right.
And imagine coming from a village with the money there.
Right.
And you are looking for...
You can buy Suba.
You can... Oh. Suba is there.
Yeah.
So again, this one was trying. And everything was there, but the missing, the absent thing from the men's is a woman.
Right.
So when the women coming, he was full please.
Ano binak may pangguru fami voto ya kambak bote ke langere.
Yeah.
Ani ngalo ano binak. Ayo.
So they went inside. When they went inside, the fella asking, "Hey, how are you? No, I'm here. I'm single. And I really need someone to love." Sakila sarango.
Betul itu kan?
Iya.
Right.
Sakila sarango darbo the men. Akila sarango ko kango lutu may daki. Kango isol hindi na may menog. When the Falakov is sina inalingan takuna. Nabi mas.
Right.
This one is truthfulness.
Yeah.
Kango sakandi na saranga.
Right.
I will take this one to the farm.
Yeah.
To baka sama tu baya.
Yeah.
Kango menakauta na farm melewa tingu.
Yeah.
Sa set sarang kakeri.
Right.
Later, a few moments later,
Yeah.
the boy,
Yeah.
another boy, they were playing with a girl.
Right.
Hey, this one got 1,000 in the pocket.
Right.
They put a punch here, one side,
The backside.
back side.
Ooh.
They put a punch here on the face,
Yeah.
on the back. So when the fella down,
Yeah.
like after
He knew something happened.
yes, he knew something happened.
Yeah.
After a few minutes, when the few minutes arrive,
Yeah.
yeah, when the few minutes arrive, sao tes,
maybe in a minute ago.
sa kay bakiliko ya.
Yeah.
When the few minutes arrive,
Yeah.
he was there.
Yeah.
And the fella start to, woo!
Yeah.
Ati ka mo sana nabaya mo.
Sa dundro ka?
Sayo, ati ka mo nabaya mo, nalinga na, the hand was disappear.
Yeah.
Sa ati ka mo, may sabaya mo ko ya.
Yeah.
Kung to the gamay,
Yeah.
ho! Sakay tunga bunuan rabun-rabun ginaba.
Yeah, the baby record.
Tuno kaya, this place is poorly off stony.
Ketika na ba to siya karto lemen ta karto lemen iba.
Imbera mantangan indondo korto na may badu.
Yeah.
Indondo mantangan ilio korto na tabaya. Thank you very much, Punjas and Outspalangi Show for Vino Patel. Thank you for the love this morning.
This place is rabu-rabu of paturing.
Iya.
Hermana ka lute, hermana ka rabu vou. Bita na kantar rumah nader tu bayar cuma matani kuah.
Doyan ra.
Hermana ka John Kumar, bakaki na be iyo, Tevita Soro.
So, pure ocean.
Piwa Ocean Lika Shopping Martin Tarnandi. Bisa hermana ka David and Michael, bina numini Tesoro na matani kuah. Bakaki na staff na FMF merchandise alo toka nandi singa toka. Mbak Suba, Laisko Vuranovo. Na bali besar Laisko, da sama cukup main mata kita indai. Bile senia J Naya Burua.
Iya.
Da sama bulu benak main Guru Farm. Waktu ya ka main ba, waktu ya ka santu ni beka.
Iya.
Iya main ba, hen mata ka benak di kuah. Lutu singa her benak ena kas happy birthday be Luis Ndungudangi. Busia Settlement no sorry. Happy birthday ko Busia. Udi?
Busia.
Iya.
Busia ngor na banua.
Sianga. Go.
Gora.
Oh, Luisa.
Ah.
Happy birthday na matali ko.
Good morning, bambula tatunga bikim ni na nonda be J the timbiu be. Hey, Hidden Angel.
Iya.
Bro, Ben Mataiwalu ngondo nonto brada may buni besi may sabusaw.
Oh, her benak.
Iyo. Mil na delebu. Ay sa. Jewel tamay ito sa nanguna baya
Iya.
Kenta? Junjun Rabula.
Sa ngayon doon na bunuan rabun kin na batunggo siya ngai.
Akilaw ka na ibadu mo.
Viri gori.
Akilaw ka na bimbini ibadu yang ganit ngabat.
Antam tuh ka baka sama tayo tuwe utundongo.
Iya.
Nakatawa ko ron ele ochumi ya bata kiyo tunan fresa na durmego.
Iya.
Ni kuya ya ur matala.
Jay leo kabika. Hey sa daun bulan. Watan nga kinabe sira yang bakir mikro sa tapa.
Don mo na
Like hata